Hi guys, welcome back to Hearn Family Homestead. So we just got home from a wedding and we're putting together a quick supper, so I thought I would make some cornbread and show you guys how I do that. I'm using a whole wheat flour that we've ground ourselves. Got 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 cups of home ground cornmeal, and we just grind popcorn for our cornmeal. 4 tablespoons of sugar. This is organic sugar. 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So now we need a tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I don't know about you guys, but I like to cook my cornbread in a cast iron skillet and use bacon grease if we have it to grease the skillet. And we have it today, so that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so I've already measured out 2 cups of milk, and I've melted 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and then I'm going to add my eggs to the oil. There we go. I'll just grab a fork and mix that up. Alright, now that we have the oil and the eggs mixed together, that goes into the dry ingredients along with the milk. And then I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And you don't want to over mix, you just want to mix it to where it barely soaks up all the dry ingredients. And it looks like my oven's hot, so we'll get that in the oven. Alright, my pan's hot. I'm going to go ahead and add my bacon grease. That should give it some nice flavor on the bottom. And I'll swirl that around, and then I'll pour my batter in. And this goes into the oven at 400 degrees. The recipe says 10 minutes, but I'm going to give it a little longer. We're going to set the timer for 20 minutes because I did double the recipe. Looks like it's done. Dinner is served. We've got pork chops, fresh made cornbread, and carrots with some radishes from our garden. Our boys are out of town, or there would be 5 pork chops on that plate. So it's just mom, dad, and our daughter, who's 7. Look at that. Are you hungry? All right, let's eat. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. We'll catch you on the next one.